Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with clean hands. This removes surface dirt that blocks treatment. Once washed, make a paste of 1 tablespoon baking soda and 1 tablespoon water. Apply directly to blackened knuckles and rub in small circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. This exfoliates dead skin and lightens pigment. Make sure to be gentle to avoid irritation. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. If you feel tingling, stop and rinse. Otherwise, proceed to the next step after your skin calms. Once exfoliated, you'll treat pigment with a mild acid to break down dark cells. Dab fresh lemon juice or diluted apple cider vinegar onto knuckles using a cotton pad for 5 to 10 minutes. These acids help lighten surface pigment. Make sure to rinse and immediately follow with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or pure aloe vera gel to restore moisture and barrier function. Repeat this routine 3 times per week. Steady, not aggressive, because gradual lightening prevents damage and keeps skin healthy over several weeks. You finish each session by sealing in hydration and protecting new skin. Apply a thick, fragrance-free moisturizer twice daily and use SPF 30 on hands when going outdoors. Sun worsens pigmentation. Once healed, reduce acid treatments to maintenance frequency. If you see persistent redness, burning, or cracking, stop all active treatments and use only moisturizer for 3 to 5 days to recover. And if darkness persists despite consistent care, consult a dermatologist for professional options and to rule out underlying causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.